This GPU should be illegal at this price. PNY NVIDIA RTX A2000 12GB Deep Dive Review. You know that maddening moment when your render crashes, again, and your deadlines are laughing at you from across the screen? Or when your AI model chugs slower than dial-up in 1999, and Premiere Pro stutters like it's possessed? Welcome to GPU hell. Your overpriced, underpowered graphics card has officially betrayed you. You're not crazy, it should be faster. You deserve better. But somehow, every pro GPU costs more than your mortgage. And you? You're stuck babysitting load bars while your motivation flatlines. You don't need a pep talk, you need a performance miracle. Let's talk pain. You've missed the golden hour because your renders were crawling. You've said just one more export 40 times. You're juggling 4K footage, deep learning simulations, architectural walkthroughs, and physics models on hardware that's more sweat than muscle. Productivity is tanking, stress is skyrocketing, and your passion? Fading fast. Every lag spike costs you real time, every render error burns real money, and every bottleneck chips away at your edge. Sound familiar? Then you're overdue for a gear glow up. Because in today's creative world, speed isn't a luxury, it's a lifeline. Enter the PNY NVIDIA RTX A2000 12GB, a beast in disguise. This low-profile, dual-slot GPU packs 3,328 CUDA cores, 104 3rd-gen Tensor cores, 26 2nd-gen RT cores, and 12 GB of eCCG DDR6 VRAM, all running at just 70 watts. Yeah, you read that right. It's compact, cool, and shockingly affordable. Real-time ray tracing? Check. AI acceleration? Absolutely. VR ready? Born for it. From 4K video to massive 3D renders to AI model training, this card annihilates lag and slashes render times without breaking the bank or your rig's power budget. This isn't hype, it's hardware liberation. Still skeptical? Let's break it down. You'll get smoother workflows, jaw-dropping render speeds, and a seamless experience across Adobe, Autodesk, DaVinci Resolve, Unreal Engine, Blender, and beyond. With up to 8K HDR display support, ECC-protected VRAM, and rock-solid ISV certification, the RTX A2000 doesn't just play nice with your favorite pro apps, it makes them purr. And it plays just as well in creative studios, data science labs, and engineering firms. Whether you're building skyscrapers, animating dream worlds, or solving real-world problems, this card works. Period. Wanna work smarter? Here's your move. Don't wait to level up, join the thousands of creators, engineers, and AI devs who already upgraded their workflow with the RTX A2000 12GB. Stocks are flying, and at this price, it's a steal that won't stick around. Say goodbye to lag, crashes, and meh performance. Say hello to buttery smooth renders, blazing fast exports, and jaw-dropping speed. Ready to create without compromise? Click now, snag the power you've been missing, and crush your next project like a pro. This isn't just a graphics card. This is your creative freedom. Grab it, use it, own it.